Hi guys! Today's recipe is a healthy ground turkey taco. This is a great source of protein and super important vitamins and nutrients, and it's a great snack for after workout. Let's start. Get your frying pan and heat about 2 tablespoons of oil on medium heat for a few minutes. Then add your chopped shallots and saute them in the oil until the color changes and it's a little bit darkened. Now that your shallots are darkened, add your bell peppers. You can use only one type of bell pepper, but I like to have this beautiful colorful texture in my tacos, so I'm using 3 different colors. When you could smell your bell peppers, that's the time to add your spices. I recommend Cajun, but you can replace it with any other spice that you like, but I highly recommend Cajun. After 1 to 2 minutes, add your ground turkey and break up the clumps. Then stir and cook until the turkey is no longer pink and it's evenly brown. That's the time to add the rest of your spices. To cook the turkey thoroughly, add about half a cup of water and put the lid on and let it simmer until the liquid is absorbed. Now that your meat is cooked, as the last step, add the black beans and give it a toss for just 2 to 3 minutes. There you go, your taco is ready. Top it with some avocados, shredded lettuce, cheddar, and mozzarella. The taste is amazing. Enjoy and hit the subscribe and bell button if you like to see more videos like this. Bye guys!